Your Samsung phone has useful features most people never use. After my last hidden feature video, you guys asked for even more forgotten and overlooked tricks. So today, I'm showing you a bunch of hidden Samsung features you probably never knew existed. Let's dive in. Did you know you don't have to say "Hey Bixby" anymore to wake Bixby? Samsung actually lets you customize Bixby's calling name. Here's how to do it. Open Bixby, go to Bixby settings, then tap Voice Registration. Inside this menu, you'll find a labs option called Create a Wake-up Phrase. Tap Start, choose any name you like, and repeat it 5 times to register it. Keep in mind, you can't use names like Google, Siri, or certain single words. Once it's set, just say your custom name, and Bixby wakes up instantly. And if you ever want to reset or change it, just go back to voice registration and tap Delete all voice recordings. That removes the custom wake-up phrase completely. You might be wondering, why Bixby now? Because Samsung is planning to seriously upgrade Bixby by integrating Perplexity AI in the next major update, making your Samsung phone even smarter. So, try it now if you haven't. I think most of you already know SmartThings, but it's not just for controlling smart devices. Inside the SmartThings app, go to the Life tab, scroll down, and you'll find Family Care. This feature lets you see your family members' daily activity, like when their day starts and ends based on phone usage, step counts and averages, and even overall device usage, including multiple devices up to 7 days. Furthermore, head into the Location tab to see real-time locations of your family members, and in the Events tab, you can add events like medical appointments, parties, or gatherings, so everyone stays informed in one place. It's designed to help you look after your loved ones easily, with more peace of mind. The next 2 features are all about home screen customization. First up, you can actually hide the favorites row to make your home screen more immersive and useful. To do this, open GoodLock, then go to the Home Up module. Under the Home Screen section, you'll find the Show Favorites toggle. Just turn it off, and the Favorites bar disappears completely. Now that space is free, and you can place anything you want down there, making your home screen cleaner and more functional. Now that was a simple tweak, but this is where real customization begins. Turn on DIY home screen in the Home Up, and your home screen becomes completely free. Just touch and hold any app or widget for 2 seconds, and you'll get powerful tools to redesign everything. You're no longer locked to a grid. You can place anything anywhere, align one or multiple items in seconds, group multiple elements into one, and even add invisible buttons. You can resize items, lock their position, and set interactions from the shapes and emojis, or launching an app from them. This video isn't enough to cover everything here, so if you want a full DIY home screen walkthrough, let me know in the comments. Next, let's make your icons stand out. Open GoodLock, go to Theme Park, and head into the Icons tab. Tap Create New, and you'll get a simple toolkit to customize your icons. Go to Effects, select Glass, and you'll instantly see a live preview of glass icons at the top. From here, you can fine-tune things like shadows, background colors, and overall depth. Once you're happy, tap this icon, save it with a name, go back, then select it, and hit Apply. Now you'll see glass-style icons across your phone. Not every app will change, but most of them will, giving your home screen a clean glass vibe. You can also go back to Effects and try other styles, so try everything here and pick what looks best for you. During nighttime, if you feel your phone's lowest brightness still isn't low enough, try Extra Dim. It's not in the display menu. Go to Accessibility, then Vision Enhancements, scroll down, and you'll find Extra Dim. Even if your brightness is set high, turning this on dramatically reduces the screen brightness. You can adjust the intensity to your liking. Higher intensity means darker screen. From here, you can also enable shortcuts for the Extra Dim in the Quick Panel or accessibility gestures. I've added it to the Quick Panel for ease, but you can also automate it using modes and routines as well. Another really useful feature is hidden inside the Samsung Reminder app. When you create a reminder, either from the app or using the widget shortcuts, you'll see preset options for time and date. But if you scroll to the end of those presets, there's a settings icon. Tap it, and you can fully customize your presets. From here, you can set different time presets for specific times or relative periods, and under the Date tab, you can create presets ranging from days to even years. After that, adding a quick reminder is as simple as tapping the preset you've customized. These are tiny yet useful features in Samsung's One UI. Our last feature for today is hidden inside the Edge panel, and I don't see many people using this clever shortcut panel with just a slide of a finger. To find the hidden setting, go to the Apps section in the Edge panel and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Here, you can change how apps open from the Edge panel. By default, it's touch and hold, but you can switch it to tap to open. You can also add recently used apps to the panel. If you want even more control, open the Home Up app and head to the Edge panel section, where you can add more apps, show more recent apps, and even choose how apps open on your device. Customize it the way you like and get the most out of Edge panels. And that's it, folks. If even one of these features helped you, please consider like the video and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps a small channel like this. Also, if you missed my previous video on useful Samsung tricks, I highly recommend watching that one too. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.